So in this video, I'm gonna walk through the same steps that I do in the Photoshop for desktop demo. First off, I apologize for the messiness of my phone desktop, but I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna play and pause this video of me actually setting everything up, and I'm gonna try to follow along with the same breakdown that I use in the full video, in the slides. So go ahead, you're gonna click on Photoshop Mix here, wherever you have it on your desktop. Hopefully it's cleaner than mine. Go ahead, click on that, and it's gonna open up to the main screen. You're gonna go ahead and click on this plus button to start a new project, and we're gonna set it up with the same pixel size for the resolution to be 11 by 17 in 300 DPI resolution. So go ahead, click New Project. Start your project custom canvas, click on that. You can title the name of your custom canvas tabloid if you want, or whatever it is that you want to, but you want to set it up to be 3300 pixels by 5100 pixels, and that equals 11 by 17 times 300 pixels per inch. And I'm going to save this canvas size because I'm going to want to do variations on a theme. So I'm going to go ahead and click on create when I'm done, and it's going to make a new piece for me. So here we go, and this is what you'll see when you start in on Photoshop Mix. So we're going to go ahead and add in the two layers, the two images that we have in the demos. Now this will vary a little bit from the one for the desktop in that we're wanting to bring in the flattened version, the one that has a white background of the vegetables. And you'll also want to make sure that you've saved whatever images you want to work with into your photo library so you can go ahead and pull them up. I'm going to click on this plus here to go in and add an image. And I'm pulling from my phone. I'm going to pull from recents, and you'll see I've got my texture background right here as well as my vegetables. Now it's going to tell you that the resolution, the size of both the vegetables and the paper is larger than your current canvas size. Because I think if you looked at what we did in Photoshop, it kind of extends out to the side on the desktop. So you don't want to resize your canvas. You want to make sure your canvas stays the size it needs to be for a poster. And it's fine, it's good that you've got more resolution than you need. So go ahead and hit cancel, and that will snap it to be the size here. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of change the order a little bit from the other video. And in this next video, I'm gonna show you how to move the paper and have it fill up even though it's not quite the same size as our canvas. But that pretty much equals the first piece from the desktop video. So I'm going to stop here for now, and we'll pick that back up in video number 2.